Today, we're taking a closer look at a product that's quietly transforming framing right across New Zealand. It's J-Frame. It's an engineered timber product. It's strong, it's straight, it's durable, it's sustainably made with timber right here from New Zealand forests. So joining me this morning is Myles Whitcher, who's director at Pohutukawa Frame and Truss, based just outside of Thames, who's been working with J-Frame for a while and has some really good insights into how it's performing in the real world. So very good morning to you, Myles. Now, I've heard a few builders who are giving J-Frame a go for the first time. I've been using it for like 10 years. What's the general vibe? Any surprises that you've come upon?
Oh yeah, look, we've been using it for about the same time, Pete, about 10 years. Very consistent growth over those years.
Yes.
Most, if not all, of the builders that we engage with, once they've used J-Frame, don't typically go back to traditional timber.
Yeah. Hey, now, obviously you're involved in manufacturing. That's what Frame and Truss is all about. And so you're doing far more volume than most of us would. So what difference does the J-Frame make in terms of strength and the consistency of the frames that you're producing?
Oh, it's a combination of things.
Sure.
It's a nice product to use. It's easy to handle. It's lightweight but very strong. But the real benefits, we believe, is it's a true product.
Yeah.
But the gauging is incredibly consistent.
Right.
So the builders that like I said, that use it don't typically go back to your traditional pine.
Sure.
As for manufacturing, it's better for productivity for us.
Yep.
Goes through our factory and through our production lines very smoothly, really efficiently. Limits any sort of rework in the factory. And that's really just because of of that consistency with the gauging.
Yeah.
And just doesn't warp.
So in terms of things like install, speed, design, flexibility, are there projects where J-Frames really stood out?
Not materially, but like I said, I think everybody enjoys working with it. As for speed on site, I think it is the feedback we get from builders is slightly quicker, and again that's just because it's true. It's straight. It's and that gauging is really consistent.
And in terms of like introducing J-Frame, which is an LVL, into the plant and introducing it to your team, any teething issues there?
No, none at all. We just treated it like any other product. I think the benefit for us was just having that confidence that every piece that you handle is consistent. With traditional timber, you use sort of each piece that you load onto the automated saws, you are checking for a slight bow.
Sure.
And you're placing it on the production line according to that bow. Where J-Frame is just straight. You don't have to think about it. You just pick it up and away you go.
Put it in and drop it straight onto the cut saw. Yeah, absolutely. Hey, now J-Frame also, of course, has code mark certification, and for people not familiar with it, sometimes getting consents through and making changes can be a bit tricky with councils. But if it's got code mark, then that smooths out that whole process around consents and compliance, isn't it?
Oh yeah, I think so. I think any product that carries the code mark certification gives everybody involved some confidence that it's been rigorously checked and meets robust building standards. So yes, Peter, I would suggest that's right. Yeah.
Yeah, brilliant. Hey, now in terms of the LVLs, the engineered timber like J-Frame, in the years ahead, can you see more and more people sort of starting to use it for framing?
Personally, I think engineered timber will continue to grow significantly in New Zealand, driven by sustainability benefits, structural efficiencies. It has a much lower carbon footprint compared to steel. It offers excellent sort of strength, durability, and seismic performance. So, I think J-Frame will reap the benefits of this trend going forward.
Yeah. all that innovation is going to pay off. Hey, really enjoyed chatting with you today. If people want to know more, it's Pohutukawa Frame and Truss, just outside of Thames, doing builds. We were chatting about this earlier from Auckland right throughout the North Island. Check them out online. So it's pftl.co.nz. If you want to learn more about J-Frame, then go to jnl.co.nz. Myles, thanks very much for your time today.
Thanks, Pete. Take care.
All the best.
News Talk ZB.